Everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can get brand name approval without trademark. Go to 3 lines, catalog, click on add products. In the search bar, type your product name. In my case it is Stockpot. Select the product from the list. You will see a panel will appear on the right side, and on the bottom of this panel you will see create a new listing. Click on it. A new page will be appear. Here write the name of your product in item name, and you will see a product type bottom in under the item name. If you want to change it, click on select and search here your product category. In my case, most relevant category is Stockpot. After selecting the category, you will see 2 more options will be open up. One is brand name and the other one is product ID. So write the product name for which you want to get approval. After writing the product name, write product ID, select EAN number RUPC and add the EAN number RUPC here. Then you will see a blue button, next button. Click on it, and here is the error that brand name approval required. Click on apply to sell. When you click on apply to sell, a new panel on the right side will be appear. Here click on apply to create new SINs. When you click on create a new listing, a new panel will be appear on right side where you will see the required document guideline by the Amazon for brand name approval. Normally Amazon required 2 product images with your brand name on it. So if you have 2 images of your product with brand name on it, you will submit the document here. This is the checklist which you make sure your product images have. So I am going to check this checklist one by one. After checking this checklist, select file and upload all the files. In the bottom, write your email, and in the second cell you can add your contact number if you want, and click on submit. Your brand name approval will be under review, and after a few hours you can see your brand name approval in catalog and view selling applications. Here you can see that brand name Gas Kitchen Cookware approved by Amazon. Now we are authorized to sell under this brand name. Thanks.